today. It's the 4th of November. So, Alan, what's happening in the markets today? Good morning.
Good morning. Well, I think at the moment, perhaps lots of traders realise that the euro is weak because the ECB has come out and said they want to weaken it even more, and then the dollar is strong because there's still this hint that interest rates could be increased in the US, and the big thing this week is going to be non-farm payrolls on Friday.
Okay, so how does non-farm payrolls, for those people that don't know, how does that impact the market? And I believe it's monthly. So what happened after last month?
Okay, well, on the first Friday of every month at 1:30 p.m. GMT, we have non-farm payrolls, which comes out in the US. And the markets.
What does that mean, non-farm payrolls?
Well, it's employment figures. Okay. And so what happens is that they look at those figures, and they decide what the central bank, the Fed, might do, how it would impact on the Fed's decision. So last month, the non-farm payrolls came out, and they weren't very good, and so they presumed that the Fed had a problem there, and so first of all they thought that they wouldn't be raising interest rates, so they started buying the market, and we've seen this go on for the whole of the month. So non-farm payrolls is almost like a cornerstone of what the market decides it might want to do in the coming weeks. So it was a cornerstone for the whole of October, and so everybody waits for it on Friday to see exactly how it might impact November.
Okay, so that obviously there's quite a lot of movement at that time of the day. I know some people trade non-farm payrolls, you know, bonkers because it moves so fast. But what do you do? Do you just sit and wait and watch?
Well, I think for short-term traders, obviously they like getting in on a bit of volatility, and you know, it's great because short-term trader really goes out to make a day's money, and on non-farm payrolls they can make that quite quickly if they're the right way. But one of the other ways is to wait for all the volatility to settle down and look at the direction that the market takes after it's digested the news. So there's two ways of playing it. You could get the more aggressive like day traders who just go out and get their day's money, but you can also play it when you watch and let the volatility settle down and see which direction the market wants to take it after it's settled down. So there's two ways of playing that.
Okay, fab for the explanation. Thank you. So what do you think we ought to be looking at in the week ahead? Any ideas?
Yes, in the week ahead, we need to be looking to see the direction the market might want to take after non-farm payrolls. So Friday afternoon is key for the markets, say in the coming the next few weeks. So at the moment, the US is on a bit of a tear, and people wonder if this is going to be the Christmas rally. So we've had a very, very strong October. Let's see how the market responds to non-farm payrolls, and to see if this continues through November.
Okay, that's lovely. Thanks very much, Alan, and we'll talk to you again next week.
Thank you.